Do you want to crack coding interviews, become a better programmer, and actually understand how big applications work internally? Then welcome to this complete data structure using Java playlist. Hi everyone, I am Ravi, and in this playlist we are going to master data structures from absolute basic to advanced interview level concepts using Java. We will not just learn theory, we will implement everything practically with code. So we'll be starting from arrays, linked list, stack, queue, tree, binary trees, heap, hash map, graph tree, recursion, dynamic programming, backtracking, and much more. So in every video, you will learn concepts, explanation, dry run and visualization, Java implementation, time and space complexity of each question, interview questions, real coding problems from the lead code, how you're going to master them. So whether you are a college student, a beginner in programming, preparing for placements, or targeting companies like Google, Amazon, Microsoft, or any other product-based company, this playlist is designed for you. And the best part, we will build strong problem-solving skills alongside the coding part. So don't just memorize the code, learn how to think like a programmer. Subscribe to the channel, start from the playlist from day one, and let's master data structures using Java together. Let's get started.